This how-to video is going to go over how to get the software versions. As you can see from your homepage, this will list out all the software applications that you have. So each one of these has its own designated version. You could be asked by a technician, what version are you using? Or maybe they're doing a new update. They want to know what versions you have to see if this update applies. So this is where you would find it at. It would be under VT3000 core software. And then where you want to be is administration and control center. So we can select the icons here. So basically it's going to bring us to this control center page, and we're under the products tab. And so that's each one of those applications like I was showing you on that front page. So if you simply click on this, it's going to give you your version right here. So you could take a screenshot of that or just copy and paste it. And if they want to know each one, so there's your connectivity one, VersaCall reporting software, virtual panels, VT3000. So like I say, you can just copy down each one of those. You can just make screenshots of those and email them over to whatever technician was asking you for. That'll conclude our video on how to get the software versions. Look forward to talking to you again.